La 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 la. Ah! Why is Terrence so scared? It's Grimace. Hey everybody. What's going on, my beautiful people of beautifulness? Grimace, what do you want from me? Grimace? Grimace! Hey everybody, let's be calm now. Let's be normal human beings. Let me get up. Oh yeah. So hey Red, how you doing, sweet cheeks? Mwah. Stop! Well, that's not that nice to treat Santa Claus. Whoa! Oh, again, that's not very nice to treat. Oh my God, it's Grimace! Oh my God! Bomb, wait, Bomb, you're staying. Ah! Chocolate rain! Ah! Ah! Hey guys, what's up? Red, we gotta get out of here. He's trying to hurt us. Hey guys, what's up? Wanna have a party with Santa Claus? I know where you live. Your name is the Red Bird. Bomb, get him off of me. Hey Bomb, how's it hanging, buddy? Get him off of me, Red. Hey buddy. You set this upon yourself. You're a silly, silly man. You know what? I like you for that. Get him off of me! Bomb! Haha. Grimace! Die, you piece of crap. You piece of cake. He is a piece of cake, I believe. Anyways, that's it. Bye, Grimace.